So you can see that this is an arrow pointing towards rightwards, and you can also see an equal sign above this. So in this video we will discuss how to create this symbol in your Microsoft Word in your computer, how to create this symbol. So equal sign above rightwards arrow. So how to create this symbol in your computer. For doing this you must remember a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut we are using is Alt 10609. So for creating equal sign above rightwards arrow, you must use this keyboard shortcut Alt 10609. That is, you must go to your computer keyboard, and this is the numlock key. So you must press the number lock. Now we have enabled the numlock. Now you can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You can see this Alt key. You press this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key. After that you can simply type here 10609. After typing 10609, you can release your finger from this Alt key, and you can see that we have created this symbol. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.